So in this video, what I'm going to be doing is a big chest session, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see from here, once you're in position, take a deep breath and press the dumbbells, making sure they don't lock out at the top. Make sure they don't touch at the top either. And once you're bringing them down slowly, make sure they come down under control as far as possible, making sure you get that stretch right at the bottom. So position the dumbbells on your thighs and kick back each leg, keeping the weight close to the body. So as you can see in this video, for the chest flies, we're doing the exact same setup as we did with the dumbbell press. What you need to make sure in this one, as before, keep your back arched, keep your feet planted on the ground, and when you're coming down with the weight, when you're relaxing with the weight, make sure you're stretching your chest. Not enough where you're feeling it's ripping and it's hurting, because that you're doing it wrong then. Make sure when you're at the top as well, you contract the muscle, you squeeze it at the top, make sure you're pumping blood into the muscles, and slowly bring the dumbbells back down again.